one over there singing.
Gentrification Gaming XI Productions. These edits seem to always have the saturation cranked to the max. Look at this edit of a bird. Ew, it's a bird, it's boring, it isn't cool. But once I do this, now I get 1 zillion views. Now all the stuck-up people who think they have a good attention span can feel good about themselves.
From the screen to the ring to the...
All of these people seem to think that if you're not eating grass clippings and running away from hyenas actively, you're not actually in nature.
That would be your mother.
All of these edits are the same. 1 second until the next frame, and this shot is a constant moving frame, while the saturation is pushed to the max. That video is enough to catch someone's attention, but it's also synced to a song, with an object in the foreground and background. All of these people should just stop acting like they're better because they watch a nature edit instead of someone watching a I don't know, a Tokyo Ghoul edit.